You reach for the impressive word, the one from the dictionary, the one that sounds advanced. But instead of sounding fluent, the sentence gets clunky, and you lose your flow. Here's why bigger words often make you sound less natural, not more. Fluency isn't about vocabulary size. It's about smooth delivery. When you insert a rare, formal word into a casual sentence, it disrupts your natural rhythm. You slow down to pronounce it carefully. Second guess yourself, and the whole sentence loses momentum, even though the word itself was correct. This is the before state, reaching for complexity and getting stuck on it. The sentence stalls, not because the word was wrong, but because it doesn't fit smoothly into spoken rhythm. Here's how fluent speakers actually sound smooth. They don't reach for complexity. They master simple connectors. Step 1. Master high-frequency connecting phrases instead of rare words. Phrases like, as far as I know, it turns out, to be honest, do more for natural fluency than any advanced vocabulary word. They're what native speakers actually lean on. Step 2. Choose the simple word you can say smoothly over the complex word you hesitate on. A basic word delivered confidently sounds more fluent than an advanced word delivered hesitantly. Smoothness reads as fluency, not vocabulary level. Step 3. Save advanced vocabulary for writing, not spontaneous speech. Complex words work well when you have time to plan them. In live conversation, prioritize flow first. You can always build vocabulary separately through reading and writing practice. This is the after, simple words, smooth delivery, no stalling. This is what actually sounds fluent. Not bigger words, just better flow. Try this today. Next time you reach for a big word mid-sentence, swap it for a simpler one you can say instantly. That's how fluency actually sounds. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.